Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamantungwa Kumalo. Here are some tips for applying for a home loan when you're self-employed. The first is to prepare your documents. The bank is likely to ask you for financial statements of your business, proving the different income or incomes that you may have, and sometimes, depending on how complex the transaction might be, they might even ask you for a short CV. Make sure that these are ready for when the bank asks you. The second, have your finances and tax affairs in order. Your financial records are going to indicate whether or not you can actually afford the property that you're applying for. You want to carefully track your expenses and income for the next couple of months to make sure that you make a good case to the bank. The next thing you want to do is to check your credit worthiness. You want to make sure that you check your credit score and you keep it as healthy as possible. You're able to do this by checking with any of the major credit bureaus, as you're entitled to one free credit check per annum. Next is separating your business expenses from your personal expenses. You want to make sure that you don't mix the two so the bank can get a very good view of what your personal finances and what your business finances are. And lastly, get pre-approved. Work with a bond originator so you can get a sense of just how much credit the bank is likely to extend to you. This will help you in your search and finding that dream property that you want. For more tips and advice on all things property, visit our blog on www.builders.co.za.